What's up, people? In today's video I'm gonna give you a complete 1 month of free subscription of the most viral and capable AI model, which is Claude Opus 4.7, Claude Opus 4.6, and Sonnet 4.6, and many others. You can see the list. Okay, this video is gonna be super helpful for your project. Let's get started. To get more info, you have to watch this video till the end because I will show you step by step. So let's get started. You need to go to this website first, then Cairo. You have to click on the Google and then sign up. Just continue. Here it is. Account has been successfully created. So you have to click on the email, then click on the setting. You'll see here is 4 plans, which is $0, $20, $40, and $200. So I'm gonna give you the tricks and tips to use Cairo Pro Plus with $0. To get that, you have to just click on the update to Pro. Then you'll see this page. You have to click on USD. Then here you have to input your card, and you see here is $0, nothing else. They will charge in the next month, not in this month. So before the charge, we are going to cancel the subscription. Then they can't actually charge our card. Okay, so I'm going to give here my card details. After fill up your card, you have to just click on the subscribe button and just wait and see. I have already purchased with that card, that's why that account isn't worked. But you can see I just created this account before the new account. Okay, so it is 100% workable method. So after purchasing, you have to click on the manage plan. If you don't do this, your $35 will cut in the next month. Not 35, it would be $46. So you have to click on the update subscription, then select the free and then continue. Okay, continue. Your premium subscription will be remain, no problem. We just change the plan to free because we don't want to waste our money on this account. So it has been updated. No, don't click here, it will automatically change after some time. So let's go to the main account. Here we can see we are still in Pro, but without any money or in costing in our card. So let's check it's actually work or not. Before using it, you have to click here, select Rego, then connect your GitHub. Without it, you can't actually use it. So this account is very easy to create. You can create easily. So just sign in and authorize. Okay, that's it. It's connected. Install. Okay, now everything is okay. Select your account, then chat with it. Hi. Here you can see the response from the AI with Claude Opus 4.7. So that is for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.